everyone and welcome back to my channel.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood.
I am actually incredibly late. I am busy rushing to pack my bag for our family trip to Gansbaai. We have a holiday house that's on the coast. It's really nice. It's very famous for shark cage diving because it's right by the harbor, and you get on this boat and you go shark cage diving. I've done it once before in my life, and I think it's kind of enough to do it once in your life because it is so freaking cold. But anyway, this video is gonna start off with me showing you what I pack for a weekend away. It's gonna be about, today's Wednesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we're either coming back on Saturday evening or on Sunday. Yeah, I always overpack because rather overpack than underpack. Plus it's winter here in Cape Town, well, in South Africa, so that means that it is pretty cold, but can also be really hot, so you kind of have to pack for all seasons, which means you have to pack a lot of stuff, especially because like at the night time, because we're by the ocean, it'll get really cold, and then during the daytime it'll get a bit warmer or potentially very hot. Also, we're planning on maybe going wine tasting, so I have to pack something that's a little bit more fancy as well. Anyway, let's get started with what I'm packing in this bag. Also, apologies for my voice being a little bit hoarse. I have done so much singing in the past couple days, so the voice is going. This is my bag that I am taking with me. I really love it. I got it at a market in Morocco with my sister. We bought very similar ones, and it's got like a pouch on the front that you can undo, put some stuff in there, and then it's got a pouch with a zip at the back, and here I've already put some underwear and some socks, and I'm not going to show you that except for 2 pairs of socks that are super cool that I'm packing. These ones have got French fries on them. How cute is that? And then these ones I got as a gift for Christmas, and they have got pugs with Christmas. How cute is that? Christmas pugs. Anyways, so everything I'm going to be packing is going into this bag. Let's hope it fits. Firstly, I'm going to start with what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing like a very basic little t-shirt thingy. I really like it. I love the neckline, and it's super stretchy and comfy. And then I'm wearing my very basic Nike sweatpants. This is me trying to show my outfit in this camera. Woo! And then I am wearing some slip-on Vans. They are so cool and so comfy. They're a tiny bit too big for me, but I wear them anyway. And then I have put some very cute egg socks with that, because why not? I really like it, and it's a very comfy outfit to travel in, and also I can easily wear the exact same bottom and then just change the top and make a whole nother outfit. And also because it's like holiday and it's a little coastal town, I'm not gonna see anyone, so I don't necessarily need to look super smart or anything. Plus, when you're on holiday, who wants to wear like work clothes? You know what I mean? First thing that is going into my suitcase is a super warm hoodie. This one is my Harley Davidson one that I'm sure you guys have seen many times before if you follow me on Instagram or have watched any of my other YouTube videos. And then on the back of it, it's got this Harley Davidson Cape Town thingy, and there you can see Table Mountain with the Harley. And what I love about this hoodie is that it's got a high neckline and it's got little holes for your fingers to come through, so it's super cozy and super warm. That one hoodie has just taken up about half my suitcase. Next up, I have got my matching tracksuit, the one that I wore in my last video. Matching tracksuit for me, but also the matching tracksuit that my sister and I both own, also from Morocco. I think we got it at H&M, because I'm pretty sure H&M is made in Morocco. Then these are my slippers. They're so comfy, and I got them at Woolies, and they're super warm. Definitely not putting that in my bag though, because it's gonna take up so much space. So that's kind of like my comfy warm clothes that I've packed. Next up, I've got some tops. So I've got this one, which is like a 3/4 length sleeve, very basic top. Once again, very comfy, and also can be worn like with any shorts, any tracksuit pants, whatever. I have got this very basic t-shirt with this cool yin and yang logo thing. I got this a long time ago from H&M. I think like everything of mine is from H&M. Oh my gosh. Then I have got this vintage like fleecy polo neck in case it gets super cold over the weekend. I'm packing this boob tube style, just a very basic top, because you'll see later some other stuff that I've packed. I can wear this with it as an alternative in case it's a bit hotter, and I can also wear it with these sweatpants and make my sweatpants look a little bit more fashionable, I suppose. Then I have these red shorts that I actually got at a vintage sale. I can wear that with the boob tube, or I can wear it with that two-tone 3/4 length t-shirt. Then I am packing my dungarees. These are great because you can put a t-shirt with it, or you can put a long sleeve top with it. They're quite tight fitting ones. I really want to get a pair of those ultra baggy denim dungarees, but for now I'm just sticking with my tight ones, and they've got some like rips on it and stuff like that. It's frayed on the bottom, and you can choose if you want to fold the bottoms up or leave it as is. This is so full. Because our holiday house is in Cassandra and it's right by the beach, there's like these nice pathways that you can walk along, and then we walk all the way to the beach and take Franklin for a swim because, like I said, he loves to surf the waves. I have to have some active gear and stuff like that. So I'm packing my cap. I got this one in San Francisco. I think I paid like $10 for 2 pea caps. I don't know if that's a good price or bad cap. Bad cap. I don't know if that's a good or bad price, but that's what I paid. I have packed some gym tights, some leggings, a sports bra, and like a gym top, just plain black. I really like black gym clothes because I'm one of those girls that sweats quite a lot, and I don't really feel the need to have everyone know how much I'm perspiring. I don't know if that's too much information, but hey. I've got like a little jersey for when I'm walking. This one is really nice. It's also vintage. It's my mom's old jersey. It's just a stripy thing. Yeah, and this I'll just wear like with my gym clothes, and then when I get a bit hot while we're walking, I can tie it around my waist and I don't have to worry about carrying it in my arms. Then the best part, I'm taking my onesie. This one has got, what's this guy's name again? The snowman. Do you wanna build a snowman? Na, 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 na. I have about 4 onesies, but this is my smallest one, as in like my thinnest one. So because I'm limited with space and this bag, I've chosen this one. And who doesn't want to be in a onesie on holiday? Now the question is, how the frick am I gonna fit my pajamas in 2 sets of PJs that I'm not even gonna bother putting into this bag because there's no more space. So I guess we're gonna need another bag. Let's see if I can even zip this bad boy. Holy mother. Okay, that'll do. So that's the one bag. So I'm just gonna take this really gross shopper bag and put my pajamas in there because girl's gotta do what she's gotta do. I'm also taking my Birkenstocks because they're super comfy, and it's nice to have a pair of sandals or flip-flops just to throw on if you're just quickly hopping down to the shops or something. Then I've got my Solomon trail running shoes, obviously for when we go do walks and things. Next up is my super cute beanie that I spent a ridiculous amount of money on, but I just love it so much. It's so cozy and so wintry and so nice, and I love the color. And I usually do not like beanies, but this one I love. I'll put that into my slipper. Then in here I have all of my toiletries, and I'm not gonna go through all of that right now. Comment down below if you would like to see what toiletries I pack for a weekend away. And then I've also got my curling iron just in case we go to a wine farm and I want to curl my hair. A girl can't survive without a curling iron. Do not judge. I'm also packing my little cat's fanny pack because that is always very useful when walking and you don't want to carry anything in your hands. So love this. Then I have a book, the same one that I've been reading forever, that you've heard about so many times, about the birds. Still haven't read a single other page. So I'm also taking that. And I'm taking that. Then I've got my low pro backpack, which is filled with all of my camera equipment, my laptop, all the chargers and everything like that. I'll show you what it looks like inside. I absolutely love this bag. So there's my camera gear and stuff like that, and then I just put my laptop in this pouch. Makes life super easy when transporting my stuff. So I've got that. Oh my gosh. Then I'm taking my drone because just in case I want to get some drone footage. Then I have my little handbag because a girl always needs her handbag with a purse and things like that. Some sunglasses and some water. And then there's only one other thing that I need to get, which is my skateboard, because I want to practice my skateboarding. Oh my gosh, I'm exhausted, but I'm so excited to go on holiday. So, let me just grab a jersey. This is my teddy bear coat from Super, I don't know. I bought it online. I love it so much. This is what it looks like. It's super comfy, super cozy. It's not the warmest, but if you want it to be a bit warmer, you can just layer it up with some other jerseys underneath. Okay, it's about a 2-hour drive to Gansbaai and I'm pretty sure we're gonna be stuck in traffic. But my brother, my mum and my sister have already headed through earlier today. But because I had a music lesson at 2 o'clock and it went on till about 3:30, my dad and I are driving through now in his Land Rover. I'm really hoping he'll let me drive it over the weekend.
I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray the day you walked away. You were the clock that was ticking in my heart, changed my state of mind, when love's so hard to find. Your feelings changed like the weather, went from clear to gray, all that time to pay. How can I go on with a cup falling apart? Love's so hard to find, when someone's on your mind. Listen baby,
first time driving a Land Rover.
Defender.
A Defender. How do I start?
Did you turn the key? But make sure your clutch is in.
It is in.
Right. Turn it. Petrol all the way.
Oh, it turns the wrong way.
Yes, all right. Got to go right across.
There we are.
There we go.
Handbrake down.
Yes. Indicator.
Indicator.
Right down. Yeah.
Stupid little thing.
Off you go. First button.
We're driving. Easy. Second gear.
Not too fast. Slowly.
Driving a race car.
No, slowly.
Third gear.
baby.